Today, we're going to look at introductions for IELTS Writing Task 2, and we're going to take this topic and turn it into this introduction. Let's first have a look at the task. It says, some people say that advertising is extremely successful at persuading us to buy things. Other people think that advertising is so common that we no longer pay attention to it. Discuss both of these views and give your own opinion. So the first thing we have to do is realize that this is a discussion essay that wants to include an opinion, and it should be a 5-paragraph essay. We will have our introduction. Our first body paragraph will talk about that first point of view, our second body paragraph, that second point of view, and the third paragraph will be your opinion. Following that, you'll give a short summary conclusion. So when we think about answering this question, we want to give our opinion. And an opinion might look like this. In my opinion, I believe that advertisements are quite good at convincing us at buying more of what we already like. And that will go at the end of the introduction. But what we need to do with the topic is find some key words and paraphrase them. So let's take a look at them. We might see words like some people say, and we can say, there are people who say. Advertising, advertisements. Extremely successful, very good at. Persuading, convincing. Buy things, make purchases. Other people think, others believe. So common, becomes so familiar. No longer pay attention, do not pay attention to it any longer. So we can take these paraphrased expressions and rewrite that topic, and along with that answer to the question, we'll make up our introduction, and it looks something like this. There are some people who say that advertisements are quite good at convincing us to make purchases. Other people feel that they are so familiar with ads that they do not pay attention to them any longer. It is my opinion that advertising is able to make us purchase more of the things that we already like. So that's it. That's what an introduction looks like. Now, of course, there's more than one way to rewrite this. There's ways to organize the sentence. And of course, there's different opinions that you can share. So why don't you give it a try? Why don't you try to write an introduction for this topic? And so, if you're interested in learning more about the IELTS writing test and how to write introductions, why not hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos? Take care.